about tonight's show. Another show, second one.
With anticipation. Out of the blue.
Another full house.
Are they gonna have fun? I feel so happy for them.
For them.
I'm happy for them. Oh, we're finding tonight.
Second one for the night.
Yeah.
How'd you feel? Backstage, some of us checking up their Tinder dates.
Oh, it's a video.
Some of us are really Tinder dates. Why you keep swiping right? Say hello, South Africa.
Hello, South Africa. Australia.
She's from Rock.
Nkodi Sikalele.
She's from Rock.
Oh, yeah, what's that?
Is it Nkodi Sikalele, Africa? Is that a song even? Hello, Africa.
My mother's dead, but she knows what Rochdale's all about.
Your mom is dead.
My mother spoke to me earlier today. She's Rochdale. My mother was a medium, my father was a large, and my grandmother was an extra large. And we all got on.
Hey, it's Simon Taylor. I've stolen the camera. This is the audience leaving the Comedy Store. We did a great show. It's pretty late though, so they were, they were enjoying it, but they were tired. So they were like, That's my impression of the audience tonight. But they, listen, I'm just grateful to have an audience. Okay, we are back.
I heard, which I couldn't believe, and this is in Popper days, Poppers in the 80s.
Poppers, great.
30 years ago, AIDS was starting as
Poppers,
well.
if you've never had them before, perhaps use Grandma's angina spray. That is poppers.
Angina spray, or
It's
grandma
poppers.
upside down,
But you know,
trying to shake her for money to go and get her stuff, and things that fell out of those boxes, and little bits and pieces, and bits of...
I've got to go and panda.
Okay, and the audience is there.
Oh, I don't think I've got any.
Have fun, have fun, have fun. Don't you know that?
Are you good, mate?
Did you have fun? Yeah. Oh fuck, that's great. I like my people. I can see them. I see my people. You guys are all going to hell with me. It's nice and warm. This is one of my fans. Yo, here's the guy that swam here. Congratulations, sir. You look amazing.
I don't do cameras, I'll break them.
You break them?
This face breaks the camera.
Highly doubtful. Hi guys. You look like you had fun.
I'm so tired.
Gareth, there was. Do you know what an Alabama Hot Pocket is?
No.
Google it. Google it.
Feels very racist actually.
That's like ginger.
Oh, that is racist.
Disgusting.